kids! We meet again for another informational health talk. This is your nurse Gretchen, and our topic is all about vaccination. How it protects us, why do we need it? Is it safe? Are there available vaccines that we need to have? And many more. So just listen, all eyes on the presentation. Relax and learn.
Here are some words that we will encounter during this lesson. Vaccination, the act of introducing a vaccine into the body to produce protection from a specific disease. Immunization, it is a process by which a person becomes protected against a disease through vaccination. Vaccine. Vaccine is a fluid substance that helps your body to become immune to a disease caused by a certain germ like viruses and bacteria. Vaccines teach your body how to fight off illnesses. They do that by putting a tiny piece of the germ that causes the illness you need protection from, or something that looks like the germ inside your body. Immune system. The immune system is the body's defense against infections. The immune system attacks germs and helps keep us healthy. To be immune means to be protected. So it makes sense that the body system that helps fight off sickness is called the immune system. Antigens. Antigens are the foreign bodies or the unwanted germs that enters our body, like viruses and bacteria. Antibody. Antibodies are proteins that your immune system makes to help fight infection and protect you from getting sick in the future. The immune system works to recognize the antigens and get rid of them by creating antibodies. As the immune system takes a while to develop, our bodies needs help from the vaccines for us to fight those germs causing diseases. By getting all your body's recommended vaccines on time, we can help our immune system and our body to fight those vaccine-preventable diseases. How do shots protect kids? Shots protect you by giving you only a tiny piece of a disease-causing germ, or by giving you a version of that germ that is dead or very weak. Giving a whole germ that's alive would give you a disease like measles, chickenpox, or COVID-19. By giving only this tiny, weakened, or dead part of the germ does not give you the disease. Instead, just the opposite happens. Your body responds to the vaccine by making antibodies. These antibodies are part of your immune system, and they can fight the disease if you ever come in contact with that nasty germ. When your body is protected from a disease in this way, it's called being immune to an illness. In most cases, it means you won't get the illness at all, but sometimes you can still get a mild case of the illness. For example, this can happen with chickenpox. Even kids who get the shot to prevent chickenpox can still get a case of it. The good news is that they usually don't get a very bad case of it. Milder cases mean fewer spots and less itching. First, shots. Shots are given by injection with a needle. A syringe holds the liquid vaccine, and the needle has a hole in it for the liquid to squirt through. Shots are usually given in your arm or sometimes in your thigh. The good news is that kids get a lot of the shots they need by age 2. So if you're old enough to hear this lesson, you've already had most of your shots. After that, a kid doesn't need many more. Kids get a few shots when they're between 4 to 6 years old. The next set of shots isn't usually until kids are about 11 to 12 years old. Why do kids need shots? Shots are great for individual kids because it means that they won't get those serious diseases. But shots are great for the health of the country and the world too. How? When almost all kids have had these shots, it means that these illnesses don't have much a chance to make anyone sick. This is called herd immunity. So when most kids get all their shots, just like COVID-19 shots, you rarely meet anyone who has had diseases like that. Your mom and dad has probably had to show your school that you've had all your immunization shots. Schools do this because they don't want the kids spreading or catching serious illnesses. Are vaccine shots safe? Yes, vaccines are very safe. Millions of children and adults get vaccinated every year, which helps protect them from lots of diseases. When we get a vaccine, we might get a temperature or some aches, but this doesn't last long and is many times better than getting sick from the illness. These signs also show that the vaccine is working and that your body is building up the protection it needs to fight the disease. Additional shield of protection, COVID-19 vaccine. Due to what our country and the world is experiencing right now, caused by the COVID-19 virus, we have an additional priority vaccine on our list of immunizations. This is the COVID-19 vaccine. Booster shots are recommended for adults and kids 12 and older. Everyone who is eligible should get the COVID-19 vaccine and booster shot as soon as possible. Now, COVID vaccines are available and approved for the use of children 5 to 11 years old. Currently, Pfizer's vaccine is the only approved COVID-19 vaccine for children 5 to 11 here in our country. Vaccines save millions of lives each year. Vaccines work by training and preparing the body's natural defenses, the immune system, to recognize and fight off the viruses and bacteria they target. After vaccination, if the body is later exposed to those disease-causing germs, the body is immediately ready to destroy them, preventing the illnesses. Does getting a shot hurt? Yes, it's true that getting a shot can hurt a little, but the pain usually comes and goes pretty quickly. If you cry, don't worry about it. Lots of kids do. To make shots easier to take, try bringing your favorite teddy bear or toys, or asking your mom and dad to hold your hand or hug you while you're getting a shot. Afterward, you may even get a little treat. Maybe your doctor gives out stickers or your mom and dad will take you to the playground where you can safely play. Sometimes after a shot, your arm will be sore, look red, or have a small bump where the needle went in. You also could have a low fever, headache, and fatigue. Your mom and dad can talk to the doctor about any problems you have. Usually, the soreness and fever go away quickly or after you take some pain reliever that your doctor advised you to take. It's okay if you don't like shots, but always remember that they are your best shot at staying healthy. So stay safe and always choose what is healthy for you and the whole family.